Okay. So last class में we studied about instantaneous velocity, instantaneous speed वगैरह we done, differentiation वगैरह so we done. Okay. Now before going for the see this one you remember, right? Displacement, velocity, acceleration. When you're going forward, we have to differentiate. When displacement in terms of time is given, how to get velocity? ds by dt. When you do ds by dt, we'll get velocity. When velocity in terms of time is given, how to find acceleration? Simply dv by dt.
dt.
So differentiate किया तो आ जाएगा. And whatever the time they ask, you can find from that. Okay. So आगे गया है तो differentiation. When we come backwards, it is integration. कहानी आने वाला. That also we'll see. Okay. So before that, one small topic is left, which is called direction of motion. ये थोड़ा learn करो हो जाएगा. Problems में use होगा direction of motion. So direction of motion बोले तो क्या है? Direction of motion, which physical quantity gives the direction of motion? Tell me. Which physical quantity will give the direction of
Vector.
motion? Huh?
Vector.
Vector. No. Which physical quantity? Like speed, displacement, velocity. So
Velocity.
direction is given by velocity. This is very important. Direction of motion is given by velocity. Matlab, suppose object is going with 10 meters per second plus 10 meters per second. Matlab meaning क्या है? The object is running from origin से towards the positive x-axis से 10 meters per second से run कर रहा है. So direction of motion we understood that it is going in the positive x direction. If v is equal to minus 10 meters per second means the object is running
Negative.
in this direction, negative x direction में 10 meters per second से पीछे जा रहा है. Okay, we understood. So direction of motion is given by the velocity, not displacement. Displacement will never give the direction of motion. Velocity is the one. Okay. चलो एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे. How to approach this one we'll see. Okay. A particle start moving this much with velocity in terms of time is given to you. Velocity in terms of time is given. Find the time interval for which the particle retards. We have to find the interval such that the particle retards. Retards means
Negative acceleration.
negative acceleration. Matlab speed is decreasing or increasing? Velocity
Increasing.
decreasing, right? Decreasing because negative acceleration, right? Speed decreases. Okay. नो ट्राई करो देखते हैं. सो आपको एक्सेलरेट कैसे अप्रोच किया है टेल में?
First we differentiate.
ओके देन
We get 2t minus 1 equal to 0.
एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड किया टी डी वी बाय
Yeah.
dt. ओके सो इट इज 2t minus 1.
Yeah.
देन
Then we assume dv by dt to be negative.
नेगेटिव तो क्या होगा? माइनस ऑफ क्या तो क्या आएगा? टाइम इंटरवल आएगा. वी हैव टू फाइंड द टाइम इंटरवल इन व्हिच पार्टिकल रिटार्ड्स.
Interval.
Interval like this is called interval. T is greater than 1,
Like
t is
0
less
to
than
1, 0 to 2 like
ऐसा.
that.
T is greater than 1, less than 2 ऐसा इंटरवल चाहिए.
हाँ.
देखो अप्रोच हाँ ट्राई करो कैसे फाइंड करेगा. ये पूरा आपको इवन किधर यूज होगा बोले तो सब कुछ सपोज नासा में वगैरह में द पार्टिकल इज गोइंग द एनी सैटेलाइट होने दो नहीं तो एनी रॉकेट होने दो. दे विल फाइंड द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम का इक्वेशन, उसका इक्वेशन रहेगा. देन सपोज इफ दे आस्क presently after 1 hour के बाद what will be the speed of this rocket means they will do that only differentiate and they'll put the time 1 hour. They'll tell this is the time as per the thing. Okay, so everything will be helpful for you. Okay, tell me.
Sir, 0 to 1 by 2.
0 to 1 by 2. But what you done? Tell me.
I found the time interval. I equated the acceleration to 0.
Why he is asking When the acceleration is 0, we have to find the time interval. Huh? Wrong.
I don't.
Answer is wrong. Wrong. Dekho. Understand. You tell me particle retards means acceleration and velocity are in opposite direction or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever acceleration velocity is in opposite direction, uska product will be less than 0, greater than 0.
Then 0.
Less than 0. Now substitute here 2t minus 1 into velocity is t square minus t is less than 0. Okay. So 2t minus 1. If I take t common from this, what is left? T
T
minus 1 less than 0.
Yeah.
So definitely this t will be 0. T will be 0.
Yeah.
So what is left? 2t minus 1 into t minus 1 is less than 0. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनइक्वालिटीज. आपको मैथ्स में इनइक्वालिटीज कैसा फाइंड करने का वो मेथड रहेगा आपको. ओके. सो इक्वल टू 0 डिफरेंट है, लेस देन 0 ग्रेटर देन 0 डिफरेंट है. लेसर देन ग्रेटर देन को वी कॉल्ड एज इनइक्वालिटी. सो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे ऐसा? सीखा मैथ्स में ये वाला? देखो.
No, they didn't start this year.
देखो ये कैसे करेंगे. देखो फर्स्ट मान लो इनइक्वालिटीज को कैसे सॉल्व करेगा. फर्स्ट मान लो इट इज इक्वल 0. If it is equal 0, what is the t value? Tell me. If instead of less than equal 0, equal to 0 hai to, then what will be t value? 2t minus 1 equal 0. T equal to 1 by 2.
T equal to 1.
And t equal to here 1. Right? Now, here I am putting 0. 1 by 2 is 0.5. And 1 is 1. Right? 3 tables hai na aapko?
Yeah.
Now we have to check whether we have to substitute one value and we will check whether this equation is becoming right or wrong. Then only that interval is true. Okay. 0 to 0.5, one value, tell me.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. 1 by 4, if you substitute here in this may, whether it's less than 0, greater than 0, check karo. 2 into 1 by 4
Less than 0.
minus 1 into, we'll see, 1 by 4 minus 1 less than 0. So 1 by 2 minus 1 is how much?
Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 is
minus 3 by 4.
okay. Now minus of minus plus, so 3 by 8.
8.
Right?
Yeah.
Now tell me whether this is less than 0.
No.
No. So that means the body is not retarding in this interval.
Okay.
Right. Now 1 by 2 and 1 में check करो, any value tell me. थोड़ा easy value लिया तो आपको easy रहेगा सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. 0.5 1 के बीच में.
Like
any number you can take. 0.5 to 1, any number you take. Which one?
0.6.
0.6. 0.6 means 6 by 10 means how much in the fraction mein?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Okay. Now substitute in this and check whether satisfying or not. 2 into 3 by 5 minus 1 into 3 by 5 minus 1. So 6 by 5 minus 1 is how much?
Minus 2 by 5.
Minus 2 by 5. Here 6 by
Great.
5. No, minus 1 by 5, right? Tell me. इधर कितना होगा? 6 by 5, right? So 6 minus 1,
Yeah.
1 by
5.
Plus 1 by
Yeah.
5, right?
Yeah.
ये वाला
2 by 5.
minus 2 by 5.
Yeah.
Now tell me plus into minus minus 2 by 10. Less than 0, greater than 0?
Less than 0.
Satisfying this equation? Okay. That means the body is retarding in this interval. So answer is t is greater than, we should read like this, t is greater than 1 by 2, lesser than 1. This is answer. कैसे पढ़ने का? T is greater than 1 by 2, lesser than 1. This is a way to read this one. This is answer. Okay. So याद रखो, whenever एक्सेल रिटार्ड्स वाला ऐसा पूछे तो एक्सेलरेशन टू वेलोसिटी को लेस देन 0 बोल के करने का, सॉल्व करो, कॉपी डाउन.
Sir, I have a doubt.
You tell me.
After we find the values of t, like both the values of t, can we just assume that those two values are the time interval?
No, no, we can't assume. देखो 1/2 we are how to solve and I told. मान लो it is equal 0 बोल के मान के I got the values to put the number line में, number line में, because t 3 values you got, right? T equal 0, t equal 1, t equal 1/2. I put number line then checked. We cannot directly put 1 I said wrong. Options में they'll give like this in this में. So which one is right we don't know. That's
Yeah, done.
yes. So now we are going for the integration कराने. Integration के लिए I told you basic formulas are required for you. Basic formula याद है ना? What is the basic formula? Tell me. Integral x power n dx. Tell me.
X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1.
N plus 1 plus c. Indefinite integral. Okay, and suppose 3 dx. 3x square dx. So how to solve? 3 will be coming outside. Integral of x square is x cube
X cube
by
by
3. So
3
3
and
3
3
cancel.
cancel.
Plus c.
X cube.
Right? This one you know already. And definite integral means suppose 0 to 1 x square dx.
After integration, we substitute those values.
So क्या करेंगे? Upper limit minus lower limit.
Lower
So upper limit is 1/3
by 3
minus
minus 0
0.
by,
Right? 0 by something is 0, right?
yeah,
So it is 1/3. So ऐसा करने का, right? चलो. Now reverse process पे जाने हैं. Now when velocity in terms of time is given, we have to find reverse displacement. पीछे आने का. How to find? I told you displacement, velocity, acceleration. When velocity time is given, I want displacement. पीछे आ रहा है. Before आगे गए तो okay we know differentiation. I'm going backwards. Backwards में we have to do integration. Integration. When velocity in terms of time is given, we have to do integration. Why we are doing integration, we will see. देखो, we know that v is equal to ds by dt. From this, I want displacement, right? ds is equal to v dt, right? To get the displacement, what do we do? We have to integrate both sides. इधर dt है टाइम इंटरवल रहेगा, ds है डिस्प्लेसमेंट का इंटरवल रहेगा. ओके, मान लो एट टाइम t1 displacement is s1, in time t2 displacement is s2, right? Now tell me what is integral ds is how much? Integral ds, I told you differentiation integration is opposite, cancel हो जाएगा, so s बचेगा, s into lower limit upper limit, ये तो सेम है, t1 to t2 vdt. Upper limit minus lower limit means s2 minus s1 is equal to integral t1 to t2 vdt. This is a formula we have to learn. Whenever you want displacement, change in displacement is integral vdt. मतलब indirectly we are doing integration of vdt gives displacement. But sometimes initial conditions will be given. That time आपको limits लगाना पड़ेगा. Limits लगा के then solve करने का. लिमिट्स लगा के, मतलब इनिशियली एट टाइम t1 में डिस्प्लेसमेंट इतना, इतना टाइम में कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट है पूछेगा. सो दैट टाइम s2 वी हैव टू फाइंड डायरेक्टली. So this formula you can remember, s2 minus s1 equal to integral t1 to t2 vdt is the answer. Copy down. What is meaning of integration is nothing but area, right? So
Yeah.
indirectly I can say area under velocity time graph gives displacement. Area under velocity time graph gives displacement. आगे गए तो स्लोप, पीछे गए तो इंटीग्रेशन, एरिया वे डिफाइन. S1 is the
Done.
initial displacement. Ah, finished.
Yeah.
S1 is the initial displacement. They will mention it na first initially object. देखो object can be anywhere, right? So they will tell at time t equals 0, the object is 5 meters away from the origin. So here displacement at time t equals t1 0, इधर S1 के जगह में 5 लगाने का. So initial,
Hmm.
it is not always. People क्या करेगा? People if the S1 भूल गया तो ऑलवेज टाइम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन से है तो राइट होगा, बट इफ द स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 5 meters वगैरह तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा आंसर उसमें, वो
Hmm.
नॉर्मल इफ यू डोंट पुट S1. ओके.
Yeah.
सेम वे when acceleration time graph is given, how to find velocity?
So that was VT, right?
Which one? Vt graph.
Okay.
Now this is at. Now again I want a velocity, I want पीछे आ रहा है, acceleration से backwards you are going, backwards में integration होगा. Okay. So what formula initially we have to start? A is equal to dv by dt.
Like same way, right?
Same way. dv is equal to a dt. So integrate both sides. Since dt is a time limit we have to use. t1 में velocity vv, v1 is a, because dv तो v आएगा, and t2 में velocity v2. So differentiation of v is v. So v2 minus v1 is equal to integral t1 to t2 a dt is the answer. This is the formula you have to learn. Okay. Have it.
Yeah.
Yes. One more formula is there, एक याद रखो. I told you already. Whenever velocity in terms of displacement is given, how to find acceleration? We cannot find dv by dt. We cannot take, right? This is
Yeah.
wrong, because in terms of displacement is given. Which formula to use? V into dv by
D by DS.
dx or s are same. I told you how to do also. We multiply and divide by dx. And dx by dt is nothing but v. That's why v into dv by dx करके then solve कर सकते हैं. This formula आपको बाय हार्ट करना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऐसा क्वेश्चन देगा पीपल को फंसने वाला इसी में. पीपल को टाइम वाला फेवरेट है सबका, सब लोग याद रहेगा, बट एग्जाम में दिल क्यों टी में है दैट, अरे कैसे कर देंगे बोल के छोड़ देगा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस इज कमिंग फॉर एग्जाम. ओके. आंसर राइट नाउ इसमें. सो आगे गए तो फॉरवर्ड व्हेन यू गो वी हैव टू फाइंड स्लोप, बैकवर्ड्स गए तो वी हैव टू फाइंड एरिया. एरिया इज इंटीग्रल, सो इंटीग्रल ए डी टी. ये देगा हाउ टू फाइंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट, इंटीग्रल वी डी टी. आगे गए तो डी एस बाई डी टी विल गेट वेलोसिटी, एंड इफ इसको डी वी बाई डी टी किया तो
By DT.
विल गेट एक्सेलरेशन. आगे गए तो स्लोप विच इज डिफरेंशिएशन, बैकवर्ड गए तो एरिया विच इज इंटीग्रेशन.
Sir, if we do like differentiation of acceleration, what will be?
डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन में कुछ नहीं आएगा. ओके, उधर से स्टॉप है, उधर तक। ओके, ओनली एक्सेलरेशन में एरिया वे डिफाइन। ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट। उसका क्वांटिटी जर्क बोल के रहेगा, वो नहीं है पोर्शन में। ओके चलो नेक्स्ट, न्यूमेरिकल्स। सो फॉर्मूला आ गया ना। सो वी हैव टू नो, समटाइम्स आपको मतलब दोनों मिक्स कर करके रहेगा, लाइक समटाइम्स डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा, समटाइम्स इंटीग्रेशन भी करना पड़ेगा बेस्ड ऑन द थिंग। टेल मी, व्हेन वेलोसिटी टाइम इज गिवन, हाउ टू फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन?
Integration of
No,
velocity.
when velocity time is given, how to find acceleration? We are going
Okay,
आगे.
dv by dt.
Tell me, when displacement time is given, how to find velocity?
ds by dt.
Okay, when velocity time is given, how to find displacement?
Integration of velocity.
इंटीग्रेशन वेरिएटी, बट इधर इधर क्या लेफ्ट हैंड से में क्या डालने का? S2 माइनस S1 बोल के डालने का।
Yes,
लिमिट्स डाल दो, इजी हो जाएगा। नहीं तो दूसरा तरीका भी है, वो प्लस सी लगा के फिर से सी वैल्यू फाइंड करके लगाना पड़ेगा, वो तो उससे अच्छा आपको
uh,
डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं। एंड व्हेन एक्सेलरेशन टाइम इज गिवन, हाउ टू फाइंड वेलोसिटी?
v2 minus v1 and
इज
integration
इक्वल
of
टू
t2 minus t1 a
टी
dt.
वन टू टी टू, T1 to T2
t1
ए डी
t2.
टी।
Yeah.
ओके चलो, करो। ए बॉडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम ऑरिजिन, ना ऑरिजिन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, moves along the x-axis. Okay, and velocity in terms of time is given. So velocity is equal to 4t cube minus 2t is given to you. What is the acceleration of the particle when 2 meters from the origin? 2 meters from origin में acceleration is asking. कैसे करेंगे, ट्राई करो। What is the acceleration of the particle when it is 2 meters from the origin? Okay, and particle is starting from origin and इधर से start हुआ and moving along the पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस में जा रहे हैं। आफ्टर 2 meters फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, 2 meters के बाद हियर इज आस्किंग एक्सेलरेशन इज हाउ मच। तो पहले एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करेगा ना, एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करो पहले इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम में। सो एक्सेलरेशन कितना आएगा? 4 बार differentiation of because velocity in terms of time is given, how to find acceleration? Differentiation, right? 3t square minus 2, so it is 12t square minus 8.
Yeah.
नो एक्सेलरेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम आया, बट वो नहीं चाहिए ना। आस्किंग एक्सेलरेशन कि कब का? 2 meters फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन। 2 meters इज व्हाट?
Displacement.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट। सो वेलोसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट में फाइंड कन्वर्ट कर लो। डिस्प्लेसमेंट में 2 meters लगो, दैट टाइम आएगा, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन दिस टू गेट एक्सेलरेशन।
Okay.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फार्मूला यू यूज?
1 minute.
वेलोसिटी टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम इज गिवन।
S2
हाँ,
S2 minus S1 is
S2
equal
minus S1 is equal to integral T1 to T2 V dt.
v dt.
Okay. S1 is how much?
0.
Initial displacement. Final displacement is how much?
2.
So 2 minus 0. is equal to integral time. Initial time is t equal to 0 only.
Yeah.
Final time only we have to find, right? v dt. So t2 में t मान लो, no problem. T we have to find, right?
Yeah.
हाँ, t find करो. v जगह में सबसे कर लो वाला. So 2 is equal to integral 0 to t. So v के जगह में 4t cube minus 2t dt. This is algebra. So each term को we have to integrate and put the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. ये minus
S
2
to
separate
4
होगा.
limits 2 to 0, t to 0, and then t square limits t to 0.
No, t चाहिए. I want to find t. देखो
Oh, t.
ये मिस्टेक किया हम लोग. 4t cube, right? So when you do differentiation, 3t square इधर तक मान ले. Minus 2. So कितना
Yeah,
होगा?
I was wondering that only.
12t square.
12 t square minus 2.
minus 2. Okay. हाँ, लास्ट में करेंगे. हाँ, इसका कितना होगा? पहले t चाहिए आपको. 2 is equal to 4 बाहर. Integration of t power 4 by 4 from 0 to t. Right? Next, minus 2 बाहर. Integration of t power 1 is t square by 2. Limits are from 0 to t. So 4 4 cancel. 2 2 cancel. So upper limit minus lower limit means t power 4 only. So t power 4 minus t square. So t square common ले तो t square minus 1 is equal to 2. ये है और कुछ t फाइंड करने का. हाउ टू फाइंड t? देखो इक्वेशन आएगा. यू ब्रिंग दिस वन साइड. आपको ऐसा किया तो नहीं आएगा ना.
Like
यू ब्रिंग
quadratic equation, huh?
और इक्वेशन बनाओ. सो t power 4 minus t square minus 2 equal 0.
Now it will come
नो करो सॉल्व करो.
minus 2t square plus t.
नहीं नहीं. लेट t square is equal to x कुछ मान लो. लेट t
We can
square.
solve like this only, no?
हाँ
We can solve in terms of t only.
हाँ t only, but t power 4 में we cannot do, right? This is not a quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद you can go for middle term splitting वगैरह. Let's
Yeah.
t square is equal to x मान लो. So what will be the answer? X t power 4 means x square minus t square is x minus 2 equal 0. Now first find x. Then उसका रूट किया तो t आएगा.
So you're minus 1 and root 2.
Minus 1 and root 2. Which one is right? Here
Time
you got
cannot be
root 2.
negative.
So you got t equal to root 2.
Yeah.
Yes, t equal to root 2 is answer. Now substitute here in this. So कितना होगा? A into A is equal to 12
Well,
into
to
t
2
square is
plus
2
2.
minus 2.
2
So 24 minus 2 is 22 meters per second
per
square.
second square.
Very important. आपको मीनिंग समझ में आने का, देन ओनली यू कैन एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा. चलो नेक्स्ट. Velocity in terms of time is given. First he asking displacement of a particle from mean position at time t equal to 1 second. Find displacement. We have not
Sir,
mentioned
can you?
initially it is origin only.
Okay.
Uh,
So is that minus 3t square or plus 3t square?
plus 3t square. 10 plus 2t plus 3t square. हाँ डिस्प्लेसमेंट करो. Displacement is how much? Oh, displacement is given, displacement particle from the mean position t equal to 1 second. If it is given that displacement 20 meters at t equal 0. So S1 is how much? S1 how much you got?
1 minute.
Uh,
Sir, S1 is 20 meter only.
20.
S2 we have to calculate.
Uh, Integral v dt from 0 to t. T is 1 second. So S2 minus 20 is equal to 0 to 1. V is 10 plus 2t plus 3t square dt. now solve करो.
Thirty-two I got.
32. y इसका इंटीग्रेशन कितना होगा? 10
T
t.
NT
ओके.
plus T square plus T cube.
t square plus t cube. From limits are from 0 to 1, right?
Yeah.
So कितना होगा? So 10
1 plus 1
plus,
plus 10.
no, 10 plus 4. This is what, 2t, right?
Yeah.
T square. T square is 1. Plus
1
1.
minus 0. Yeah, 1. Okay. Yeah.
So how much?
So 12.
Yes. S2 is 32. 32 meters. Okay. Next, acceleration in terms of time. Easy, right?
Yeah. 60 plus 2.
60 plus 2 is answer. Next. करो. The acceleration in terms of time is given. At 1 second, the displacement and velocities are given to you. Calculate the displacement and velocity at t equal 2 seconds. J means question. So understood, right? How to do? First velocity के लिए v2 minus v1 is equal to integral t1 to t2 a dt, right? We want v2, right? Velocity चाहिए at t equal 2 seconds, right? So v2 minus v1 is how much at t equal 1 second में?
Sir, I'm getting
Velocity
S2 as 31.75.
31.75. No, wrong. Chaitra, you can use calculator also, no problem. v2 minus v1. v1 is how much initial velocity? 6.25 is equal to time t equal to 1. t2 means 2 second में चाहिए. A is t cube minus 3t square plus 5 times dt. No, solve. You can use calculator if you want, no problem. v2 minus 6.25 is equal to t power 4 by 4 minus t cube plus 5t. Some limits are 1 to 2. So upper limit लगा तो 16 by 4 is 4 minus 8 plus 10 minus lower limit 1 by 4 minus 1 plus 5. No solve and tell the answer.
Eight.
Eta
Yeah.
displacement velocity is correct.
Velocity.
Now find displacement. Velocity you got in terms of time, right?
Sir, displacement is 8.30 meters, right?
No, wrong.
No, like in the question it's given 8.30.
8.30. Yes, correct.
Okay.
So this is a velocity in terms of time, right? ये वाला. Then
Yeah.
substitute.
If we want to find S2, we have to differentiate this t raised to 4 by 4 minus.
Yes. आपको
Yeah.
no velocity in terms of time is given, right?
Yeah.
Displacement आने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? See, when you do integration of ADT, nothing but velocity you got, right?
Yeah.
So this one is
If
the
we do,
velocity.
yeah, if we do differentiation of that,
Integration to get backward displacement.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
ये 6.25 भी आएगा ना इस तरफ, वेलोसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम में ए भी आएगा ना, वेलोसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम, देन सबस्टिट्यूट, ए वाला उधर जाएगा ना। So without substituting, first initially 1 to 2 मत लगाओ, velocity ले लो, then substitute s2 minus s1 like this. s2 minus s1 is equal to integral v dt from limits are from t1 to t2. v in terms of time में t power 4 by 4 minus t cube plus 5t plus 6.25. ये भी आएगा ना velocity in terms of time में, then only you can able to substitute there. लेंदी होगा बट आंसर लिख रहा हूँ, यू कैन डू देयर। आंसर इज 15.6 मीटर्स। ओके, समझ में आया? वेलोसिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ टाइम में आने के बाद इसको अगेन इंटीग्रेट करने का, एंड व्हाट इज s1? s1 विल बी हाउ मच? 8.30 एंड
8.3.
t1 इज 1 सेकंड।
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट करो।
Sir, how do you find as functions of time?
नॉर्मल t only, no limits.
Okay.
So they given an acceleration in terms of time, they're asking velocity and position. मतलब backwards is going, we have to do integration, वो तो मालूम है। Particle starts from origin at t equal 0, the velocity was itna, plus 2 meters per second. These are the conditions.
Getting quadratic equation.
What coordination you got?
3t square plus 6t minus 2.
Which one velocity you got? Huh? Displacement?
Velocity
3t square
plus 6t minus 2.
plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2 आएगा देखो. Because v2 minus v1, right?
Oh yeah.
So minus 2 to get the plus 2. Yeah, that is the answer of velocity in terms of time. Mein. Okay, now find displacement. At t
Cube
equal 0,
plus
x is 0.
3t square plus 2t.
कितना?
3t, no, t cube plus 3t square plus 2t.
Yes, correct. Yes. So hard questions है JEE मेंस questions का. This is 2021. Options I'll give try. The given time in terms of displacement, they given mn are constant. The retardation of the motion, मतलब acceleration we have to find it indirectly. So t is equal to given as mx square plus nx. Find the retardation of the motion. This is JEE mains questions. नीट लिख रहा हूँ. देखो फर्स्ट आपको क्या करेंगे, टू फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन डेफिनेटली तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज गिवन, डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा, 2 टाइम्स डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा टू गेट एक्सेलरेशन. ओके, डी
Sir, then
टी,
we'll get 2m plus 1 equal to 0.
नो नो इक्वल जीरो कुछ नहीं आएगा. देखो डी टी बाई डी एक्स आई एम डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स.
Okay.
ओके, d with respect to time I'm differentiating. Why? Because dx by dt is nothing but velocity, right? So I'm differentiating with respect to time. Tell me, if I differentiate with respect to time, इधर कितना आएगा? Differentiation of t is how much?
0.
Huh? Differentiation of x is
1.
differentiation of t in the, with respect to time only, right? 1
1.
is equal to m constant बाहर आ जाएगा. Okay. Now देखो, we are differentiating with respect to time, not with respect to x. So इसमें कैसे डील कर लेंगे? x square का 2x into, I told you, whenever we are differentiating with respect to other variable, we have to write, and it should be depending on time. देखो x is depending on time, right? So it is dx by dt. Extra term will be coming here. When you're differentiating with respect to x means directly 2x आएगा. When you're differentiating with respect to time, then at that time क्या करेगा? 2x करके into dx by dt करेगा, प्लस n बाहर आ जाएगा. So क्या होगा? dx by dt.
1. Yeah,
Huh?
dx.
Okay. Now answer in terms of velocities are given to you, right? What is dx by dt? Nothing but v
Yeah, v.
m into 2x into v plus n into v. देखो velocity terms आ गया. मुझे acceleration चाहिए, then क्या करेंगे? Tell me.
Again difference.
Again differentiate. हाँ, now इसको v कॉमन ले लो, v का इस तरफ लेके आए तो क्या होगा? 2mx plus n 1 by v is equal to 2mnx plus n. Now again differentiating with respect to time only. Okay. Now tell me, what is 1 by x का differentiation? Like x power minus 1 का.
Yeah.
Minus 1 by x square.
Yeah.
हाँ, so ये differentiate
1
क्या
by
होगा? Minus 1
minus 1
by
by v square.
v square into, I told you, we are differentiating with respect to time, not with respect to velocity, right? So क्या आएगा? Into dv by
dv.
dt आएगा. Okay, is equal to 2m बाहर आ जाएगा. What is dx by dt?
1.
dx by velocity, right?
Yeah, velocity.
Differentiation of n is 0.
0.
So what is dv by dt? Nothing but acceleration. So a is equal to a cross multiply तो v square into v is minus v cube. So minus 2m v cube. I want not acceleration, retardation I want. Retardation is nothing but
So
minus of,
minus a.
so minus of minus.
2m v cube. Option C.
So people को ये वाला छोड़ देगा, मतलब आपको वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेयर मीन्स dy by dx is different, dy by dt is different. So if x is तो 2x है, but when you're doing differentiation with respect to time, so 2x into dx by dt करने का.
dx by dt.
JEE means questions का 29 questions will be given to you. वो नेक्स्ट क्लास तक सबमिट करो, पूरा आराम से डिटेल ले करो एक एक का. ओके